Mahlzeit und herzlich willkommen beim Ride Review Videomagazin. Wir sind mal wieder auf der IAAPA Expo Europe in Wien 2023 und wir haben uns heute jemanden von BoldMove Nation geschnappt. Die kennt ihr mit Sicherheit von dem Dark Ride Champi-Folie in Parc Le Pal und er wird uns jetzt ein bisschen noch was erzählen, was es alles Neues gibt und was so die letzte Zeit passiert ist. So, hello there.
Hi.
First of all, you might introduce yourself and tell us where we are at right now.
Yes, I'm Sven. I'm the product and project manager at BoldMove Nation, and so we are known to create dark rides, AR, VR attractions, and we also do theming and we create media. So we have the whole package. We can offer the turnkey product for the customer, so they don't need to worry about anything, and we take care for them.
So what about, you told us some news about Champi-Folie, so maybe you want to tell the viewers as well?
Yes, so when you guys wrote Champi-Folie, it was one of the first days that it was open, and we listened to the feedback, we did some adaptation because we really want to deliver a ride where not only us, but everyone, the guests, the park, everyone is on the same line. So for example, for the reload scene, we made it a bit more lighter, a little fun, more gameplay. So instead of shooting all the time, there's now the ice cubes that are dropping and you just need to do it at the right moment so that we really can give that little break. And then also, yeah, we fine-tune the theming, we fine-tune the timing of the attraction. So, and if the park has feedback, we work on it and we really try to create a dark ride where everyone is happy.
Great, that sounds very good.
Yeah.
So what else could you say was new at BoldMove Nation in the last year?
Well, we've been working a lot on proposal for parks, and from that, like we usually do, we are developing new products. And so one of the new products that we have is the Fusion. So this is the general concept, and you might recognize it from other attractions in Europe. But what we wanted to do is have a mixed media dark ride where we go a step further compared to Smash and Reload to really have the theming and the media combined. So with the Fusion attraction, it's also an updated version so that the maintenance is easier for the parks, and that we can also open up this type of attraction for parks that are not having a budget like Disney or a Phantasialand, but that they have a really fun and exciting dark ride also in their park. So we're really happy with the result, and for the moment we work like a candy steampunk theme. We're still working on the characters, but you know, they will pop up soon. But yeah, that's what we love to do, and we always pour our heart into it, and we find the parks also that have the same passion and that want to invest in something so that they can deliver a unique experience for their guests.
That sounds great, so we are looking forward to this, and stay tuned for the next time when we meet Sven, and he's going to tell us some newer news. Great, thank you.